In my weekly analysis last week, I told you that achieving the highs at around 33,020, we can expect a reversal, and see precisely that has happened. US30 traded with a good drop and just saw a little retracement towards the end of the week, closing above 32,000 levels. Now, what to expect next week? Are we looking forward to a crash with the inflation data, or is it going to reverse from here and it is going to continue with the bullish momentum? Which position we should take in order to profit? What is going to be our strategy? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you will be also missing my daily updates which I share for Dow Jones, one with the Asia session, next with the US cash. So do press the bell icon. Now let's start. Let's have a look at the weekly charts first. See, this was the reversal indication there at 34,000. I told you it is looking forward to a drop after this reversal. Lower lows are done, and since then achieving the bottom there at 28,600 levels, it has tried to reverse strongly. You can see there is a good bullish breakout. We saw this. I predicted this also, that yes, it is going to give you a bullish candle. Now what to happen? What can we expect? See, 4 straight green candles in row. Yes, at the same time, see this, it is trying to trade in this channel, and the highs of this channel are way above 34,000. So next week, yes, if you see it trading above, till the time it trades above 32,000 level, there is a possibility of it to reverse and rise. You have to be careful. Maybe it may start on the bearish note, take it till towards 32,000 and below levels, and then show you a reversal there. Hence, you have to make sure you have to keep a note of two levels, one 32,000, next 31,820 levels, and if these two are breached, it trades below 31,800, certainly you can expect that it is going to drop. It is going to drop till towards 31,000 levels in this week also. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts, how it has performed. You can see so far, connect the dots, just connect the dots from the highs. Yes, we predicted that 33,500 is the potential high for next week. This week it failed to breach past. Now again, even if it tries to reverse from here, 33,500 is going to be potential highs. Once it breaks past this zone, certainly you can expect 34,000 in the next milestone, and potentially it can try to breach that also with a stronger bullish move, taking it till towards 35,000 levels. Do not consider this is still a reversal. There is a potential of a drop which can still happen. 35,000 potentially cannot be denied if it continues to trade bullish from here. Now remember, 34,000 is the very strong resistance zone. You can see multiple candles getting rejected there, and yes, multiple candles getting resistance there at the same time. So yes, be careful at 34,000, certainly plus minus 1,000 or something where it may try to show you a little swing. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, this was the bottom, double bottom done, and a strong rally has been shown. Now this is the retracement. Now retracement, at the same time we have seen higher highs on this, and hence you have to remain cautious. Once it breaks past 33,000, certainly more bullishness can be expected. So second part on the daily charts is, do not sell US30 or do not consider this as bearish till the time it trades above 32,000 and 31,800 levels. These two levels are certainly going to be important. Yes, you can buy here at 32,400 and expect it to achieve 32,550, 32,600 levels, and if it trades beyond 32,600, certainly we can expect 33,000 levels again. So this is one part of it on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart. See, on the monthly charts, let's consider that US30 is bearish and it has to give you a red candle. Still, despite the fact 33,200, 300 levels at this point are going to be the first resistance zone, and in fact 33,500 are going to be the next resistance level. Trading above 33,500, certainly we can expect little more bullish. Now if you connect the dots from the peak here and the peak here at 34,000, you will find that this peak is precisely aligned to the previous highs, and hence 33,050 has again become a very strong resistance level. So trading above which you can remain long on. US30 expecting 33,250, 33,500, and then beyond that we are looking at 34,000 levels. So this is one part of it. And at the same time, once it trades below 32,000 and 30,800, remain bearish, remain short, and then you can expect that we are going to look forward to 31,000 as the first target and 30,000 levels in this month itself. In fact, it can erase all the gains from the previous month and trade bearish, achieve lower lows at around 28,500. Yes, it can trade extremely bearish if it continues to trade in this fashion till the time it trades above the 50% of this candle, and till the time it trades below 33,200, we have to remain cautious. Now I will give you the trading levels. Just first try to listen and just first try to understand here. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? On the indicators, on the daily chart, there is a bullish crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average, and there is a potential bullish crossover between the 20 and 100 period moving average. These two crossovers indicate that there is a bullish momentum, and this makes 31,400 levels as the very strong support and 30,700 levels as the next strong support. These two levels should be respected till the time. And yes, 31,400 very strong support on the downside, breaking below which you can consider that Dow Jones is going to give you a very strong drop. First target 31,000, then 30,700, then further strong bearishness to be seen. Now look at the directional movement, divergent again. It is trying to show you a little bullish momentum. The stochastic is almost nearing bottom. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. I'll wait for it to crossover and give a bearish indication. RSI is trying to rise. It is near to the top there. Look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, here is the 50 and 100 period moving average, precisely situated at around 33,500, which is a very strong resistance zone. On the downside, the support here at around 31,400 levels from the 20 period moving average is strong, and breaking below which certainly more bearishness to be seen. The directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic entering into overbought levels. And yes, when the next candle starts, probably it may be looking or it might be appearing a little bit of shy of the overbought zone. So yes, this is one part to it. Next is the MACD has crossed over. This is just second green candle. We can expect for furthermore greener candles. You can expect a rise if it continues to trade beyond 33,050. You can expect 33,200, 400, 500. Beyond 500, it is going to be unstoppable till towards 34,000 levels. Be cautious. RSI looking downwards on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, support there is anyways far away. The resistance there on the upside at around 33,000 levels, beyond which certainly more bullishness to be seen. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic has seen a bottom, trying to rise from here. On the monthly charts, probably it may rise a little high, and hence it can be a greener month. It can try to attempt and achieve 34,000, 35,000 levels this month itself. MACD trying to converge here. Be careful. Once it crosses over, little more bullishness can be seen, and RSI is comfortable there. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the strategy for you. Time for me to give you the trading levels so that you can make profit. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the right entries and right exits, identifying the profitable trades, you can join my mentorship batch. The 17th batch will now start on 4th of December. Be a part of it. Many of you are still waited for the 16th batch, and yes, hardly we had any seats. Yes, you can join the next batch and definitely you can profit. So yes, that could be your new year pledge also, that you have to remain profitable. For that pledge to fulfill, you can join this batch. Also, you can be part of my signals group, and also that will be a part by which you can remain profitable. See the performance there on my Telegram channel or the communities tab, where I have posted the snapshots of how we have performed throughout the week. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to the authentic IDs only. Now yes, you can buy there. At what levels? First let's talk about that. Yes, the next level at which you can buy is 32,400. Beyond that, certainly I will look forward to see 32,500, 32,600. Now if you see it trading beyond 32,600, you can remain bullish. First targeted, the nearest resistance you will get is at 32,640, and beyond that I will look forward to 32,850, 33,000, and trading above this you can expect 33,200 and then 33,500. Beyond this, stay long for 34k. Now where are the resistance is it going to cover and everything in the single go? It is not possible. These are markets, there are going to be swings, and hence you have to ensure that you are closing your trades at each and every milestone and book profits and re-enter again if you see it is in the same direction. Now remember, on the upside you have to be cautious of 32,600, 32,800, 33,000, these three levels, beyond which the next these two levels are definitely I have given at a little distance, and these are going to be very strong resistance zone. Beyond 34,000, sky is the limit. We are looking at 35k this month itself. Now on the downside, where to sell? Yes, you can sell here at 32,000. I am keeping it a little far at 32,000, but yes, you can take a short entry at 32,200. Expect 32,000 as the major support. Till the time it trades above 32,000, I will not consider this as bearish. In fact, till 31,840, which is the next milestone, this is also very strong support. Till the time it trades above with this, I will not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back below this. Certainly, I will wait for 31,700. 31,500 and 31,400. Now if these are taken, 31,400 is taken directly, it will lend to 31,000 and 30,700 levels, below which you can expect, if it breaks past 30,700, it is going to remain bearish. Further, we can expect 30,500 and below levels. Now see, the CPI data will definitely have an impact, hence you have to remain cautious. Strong resistance, strong resistance, strong resistance, strong resistance. These all levels are very strong resistance. But yes, once it breaks past 31,400, I will not be remaining, I will not be expecting any bullishness. Below 31,400, 31,000, 30,700 are definitely achievable, and hence till 31,400 also you have to remain cautious and alert, as should not be considered bearish till then. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.